Welcome to Kaizai Villa!
It's so nice.
Ganda, diba?
Yes.
Hey, how has life been lately?
Oh, challenging. But good.
Yeah. And aside from being an actress pala, you are a corporate person, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi yan masyadong alam ng iba. Tell me about it nga. Ano po yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo aside from acting?
Well, when I am not acting, I have Green Mile Coffee. I am the PR for Green Mile Coffee. And then I also have Dylan Skin, wherein I play the operations manager. And then I am also partners with my friends for our consultancy firm. It's called Mazi, together with May and Attorney Julius.
Grabe, ang dami mong ganap ha. I'm sure it gets pretty stressful. Motherhood, corporate job, and acting. So, paano ka nag-stress?
Well, this stress for me is alone time in an adoration chapel. Alam mo yan.
Adoration. Idea of a perfect staycation.
Well, a perfect staycation for me would be anywhere actually. Anywhere. Basta merong magandang parang ganito. But apart from this, yung mga villa na katulad ng Kaizai, I would like to see a body of water. The beach. That's ultimate for me. With my family, good friends like you, people I hold dear, and that would be memories that you will really treasure and hold dear.
And your perfect companions, medyo nasabi mo na, but meron
Family,
pa ba?
friends. Sa ngayon, ano lang talaga, the people I hold dear in my heart.
You also have a background on construction and design and have been exposed to a lot of nice houses. What's your preference when it comes to home design?
Well, pretty much like this, like Kaizai. Kasi ano siya it's modern contemporary. The design is very classic, although modern siya. And maaliwalas, maliwanag.
Actually, no? Yun talaga yung makikita mo dito sa place na yun. Yung impression mo talaga.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, maiba tayo ng konti. If hindi ka nag-artista, ano kaya yung full-time career mo?
I think I would be fashion designer.
And how do you deal naman with disappointments when your plans get derailed? Kasi minsan nangyayari yun, di ba?
Well, how do I deal with that? I just think it's God redirection sa akin. Kasi, yes, better plans. So, yung plan na iniisip ko, hindi talaga siya akma for me. So, titigil niya yun kasi he has something better. I don't think negatively of things when they happen sa akin na not according to how I want it. So, tinitignan ko siya as God's redirection because He always has better plans for all of us.
And what's the best compliment that one can ever say?
That I'm a good mother.
Nice! Oo nga naman. Ano naman ang pinakamasakit na pwedeng sabihin ng tao about you?
Yung hindi ako sincere. Kasi lahat ng ginagawa ko sincere.
Totoo naman yan. Ayun, naiyak din ako. What is your non-negotiable pagdating sa karera mo or sa career mo bilang artista?
Non-negotiable for me, siguro yung sabihan ako na umaarte ka lang. Kasi when I act, I always act with sincerity. So, hindi siya pwedeng acting lang para sa akin. Because it is, you know how privileged we are that we get to play a lot of roles,
Yeah.
di ba? Because of that, you get to experience yung mga dinadaanan ng ibang tao. And when you imbibe that or when you put that to heart, then you develop empathy. So when you get that makes you a very credible actor because hindi lang siya arte. There is sincerity, there is truthfulness in that. And I think that's what it is for me.
Nice. At sa career mo naman bilang corporate person, ano yung non-negotiable? Yung hindi mo makapayagan?
Sa akin kasi very strict ako, even with yung mga tao namin sa office. I always look for business ethics. Gusto ko may respeto sa oras ng tao because time is precious. So, non-negotiable sa akin yung, ma-traffic, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. No. When you are working, you adjust to the time. Kasi kailangan darating ka ng nasa oras because you are being paid to do your job well. So, that's non-negotiable sa akin. Yung maging parang wala lang, simpleng trabaho lang to, yung hindi mo siya sincerong ginagawa, that is not a no-no for me. Kasi a work for as long as it's giving you that kind of, binibigyan ka kasi ng sweldo eh. So pag sinweldohan ka, ibig sabihin yan, paghirapan mo, kasi yung nagpapasweldo sa'yo, pinapaghirapan niya rin yung ibibigay sa'yo. So be very, very, very diligent with your work. Importante yun.
As personal na buhay, ano yung non-negotiable?
Sa personal, well, lately I have realized you can never give away your self-respect. You don't do that. When you see people disrespecting you, for example, a partner or katrabaho or whoever, basta pinakitaan ka ng disrespect, you call the attention of that person. You tell this person, I don't like this. Because if I were you and I do this to you, you won't like it. Ganon lang sa akin kasimple. Kung ano yung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo, huwag mong gagawin sa'yo.
And if you were to live your life all over again, anong parte o mga parte ang papalitan?
Oh no.
Madami bang editing yan? Anong mangyayari?
Siguro, magluto na lang tayo. Kitchen eh.
Okay, pass.
Hindi. Sasagutin ko yan.
Okay. Pero diba,
Sasagutin ko yan.
ang
Magkakapi lang ako.
Ang ganda ng
Ito.
ng ano, di ba? Ng Kaizai.
Oo.
Kompleto.
Kumpleto lahat dito. Wala akong masabi.
Parang wala ka nang dadalhin mo. Di yung mga huli-huli mo na lang.
Yes, actually, when we came here nga, meron na rin pagkain eh. Di ba?
Ganun kabait yung
Ganon
nanay.
kabait si Miss Ney. Kasi binigyan niya talaga tayo ng
Welcome
food.
gift.
Andi dito nag-iintay pa yung ano mo, yung cake
Okay,
mo.
oo. And pati
Diba?
si Chem, thank you talaga.
Yes.
Okay.
Ano nga ulit yung question mo?
Ay, ayun na. So, ano nga yung parte ng buhay mo papalitan mo?
Honestly, Neb, wala.
Talaga lang?
Wala. Siguro, wala eh. Kasi, kung pagsisisihan ko yung past ko, kasama ang mga anak ko doon. And hindi ko pagsisisihan ng mga anak ko.
Yes.
They are the biggest blessing of my life.
Okay.
Siguro, I would just alter a little para parang if I only knew then what I know now, it would have been different. Mga ganon. Pero yung the challenges that made me the person that I am now, kahit masakit, nadaanan ko siya ulit. Because God's grace was very evident.
How do you show naman people that you love them? Anong love language?
Oh, service ako. Yan ang love language ko. I do service.
Totoo naman yan.
I will cook for you. I will do what I need to do para lang to make your life magaan.
Yeah.
Marunong din ako magkusa. Hindi mo ako kailangang utusan. So, love language ko yung nurturing ako eh. I'm a very nurturing person. So, I think, yan.
And how do you deal naman with heartbreak?
Heartbreak. You know, at 55, I actually experienced that very recently. Pero, dasal. Maraming dasal na kahit meron kang dinadaan ng masakit, yung hindi ako maging pusong bato, binabantayan ko yun. Kasi, at the end of the day, you still want to be a good person, despite and in spite. Yun lang.
Okay. So, ano naman ang tawag nito? How do you deal or express your anger? Paano ka magalit? Paano magalit ang children?
Actually, as much as possible, I really try to avoid getting mad. Kasi, unang-una sa edad ko, pag pumutok ako, baka mamaya maputokan ako ng ugat. Ayoko, di ba? Really, I just release through prayers. I go to an adoration chapel. That's my favorite place in the whole world. Kahit pumunta ako sa ibang bansa, hinahanap ko ang Adoration Chapel. So, yun lang. I really just release kay Papa God. I talk to Him. I cry sa Kanya. I tell Him everything. Minsan, natatanong ko rin siya, Lord, bakit naman ako? Mabait naman akong tao. May mga ganun ako minsan. Pero that's just the vulnerability in me because I am going through something, di ba?
Yes.
Pero after that, I would read and I'd listen to podcasts. Feeling ko nakikipag-usap siya sa akin kung paano kung dapat kong gawin sa buhay ko. And right now, I have more clarity.
Yes. And ikaw, you are a good cook, no? Ano paborito mo lutuin?
Yung paborito nyo? Adobo! Spicy pork adobo, the lasagna. You love my lasagna.
Yes.
It's a 4-cheese lasagna. Personally though, I really like sinigang.
Oh.
I'm a sinigang person. Bigyan mo ako ng steak at saka sinigang. Yung sinigang kakainin ko, deadmine ko si steak.
At ano naman ang paborito mong kainin? Sinabi mo na, sinigang.
Oo, sinigang.
Ano ang isang bagay na di mo pwedeng mawala? Yung hindi pwedeng wala sa lipunan?
Rosary ko.
Okay,
I carry that always.
okay, what is your greatest fear?
To lose my children.
Oh, yeah, I think that's every mother's fear naman talaga. Okay, what's your ultimate dream? Wow, ang ganda. Meron pataas pa to, no?
Yes, you know how I'm a sucker of a good view na.
Yes, I know. Okay, so what's your ultimate dream?
Ultimate dream? Honestly, I want to go to heaven when I die.
Yeah. How about your fantasy?
Tignan mo naman to.
Diba?
This is Mount Arayat.
Ayat. Ibang
Diba?
klase. Ang sarap mag dito, party-party.
Correct.
Dito sa roof deck.
Oh, may baka pa. May lechon baka.
Oo, di ba?
Ang ganda-ganda naman dito sa lugar ninyo, Miss Nay. Grabe kung wala lang akong trabaho bukas.
Oo nga.
Magsistay pa ako.
Kaya mo, babalik tayo.
Sinarado to
Kasama
kasi
natin lahat. May
kagabi
pool
may
table
bagyo
pa.
eh.
Yeah, may
Mm.
pool table. That's a
Yeah.
pool table. What's your ultimate fantasy? May fantasya ka ba? Fantasya.
I don't think there is na because I'm the type of a person who doesn't live in fantasy. I'm a realist person.
Okay, ano yung dream role mo na lang? Dream role. As an actor.
Dream role ko? Dream role, wala. Pero yung dream na makasama, I would like to work with all of my good friends.
Oh.
And then, meron akong dream role pala.
Okay.
Now that we're talking about it, I think the portrayal of my own life.
Wow!
Yeah. That's
May
amazing.
iiyak ka na siguro nun. Anyways, what's your most memorable showbiz project to date? Ano yung parang, ay naku, ang ganda nito yung kumakain.
When I did Love Die Repeat, that's unforgettable for me. Kasi yung intricacy ng mga scenes, na paulit-ulit mong ginagawa. Na pareho ng pareho, tas may difference lang ng konti. Pero kailangan pareho. Oh my gosh, mabaliw-baliw ako sa script nun.
Talaga
It was a
ba?
good film. It was a good TV show.
Teleserye, yeah.
I worked with Jenny Mercado there.
Yes. Who is a good friend?
Yes, para ko na anak yan.
Oo. And,
Na
partner
CEO
mo,
ko sa ano,
Dylan.
si Janeline is our CEO for Dylan Skin Tint.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ang
siya
ganda
yan
ng
lahat.
products na yan.
Mm-mm.
Okay, what is your plan in the next 3 years?
To just rebuild myself, learn from my mistakes, and be a better person
Nice.
than I was yesterday. And the many other yesterdays that were happening.
Wow. Okay, so I wish you luck there. Okay,
Thank you.
describe naman your perfect chill time. Yung chill lang.
That would be with a very beautiful sunset,
Yeah.
a Green Mile coffee, and you by my side and talk about life.
Wow. And we do that all the time.
Yes.
Diba? Yeah. And I like talking live with you too.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you will be stranded in an island, sino ang gusto mo makasama maliban sa mga anak mo, ha? Hindi pwedeng anak.
Okay. Stranded in an island. I think I would like to be with God.
Oo.
I only would like to be with God because I have many questions. And I'd like to know directly from Him the answers. Pero syempre, when that happens, parang dapat patay na ako.
Bakit namatay ka doon sa island? Huwag
I
naman.
know. Parang dapat yes, honestly.
But you can converse with
Ikaw
him.
din naman gusto mo yun eh.
Oo, you can converse with him kahit na, di ba?
Yes, I do. I do.
And when you think of home, sino or ano yun?
Home,
Yes. What is your idea of home?
my home would be, apart from my children, of course, is to find that one person. Sandali. To find that one person who's going to make me feel safe.
I think that's everybody's idea of home, no? Yung safety.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung iingatan ako. That's home for me.
Nahanap mo yan. Nahanap mo yan, I'm sure. God will give that person to you in time.
Let's see. Kung wala man, I am fine with myself. And
You
my
will be
children.
your own safe place. Diba? You will be
Yeah.
your own safe
Tapos tatakbo ako dito sa Kaiser. Sa
Yeah,
Kaiser.
dito tayo.
Dito ako
lagi.
mag-e-enjoy.
Ano ang pinakamagandang nagawa mo sa buhay mo? That's the last question. What is your, kung may isang masi-single out ka sa life mo na, I did this well, I did this good, and you're happy that you did it, ano yun?
4 actually, ang magandang ginawa ko sa buhay.
Okay.
That I bore 4 beautiful children.
Oh.
They are the love of my life. Eh, may hawak ng camera na yan. I love you very much.
Sobra.
Gabriel, Kinjol, and Anissa.
Thank you, Cher.
Thank you. Pinaiyak mo naman ako.
Oh,
Ano
hindi
ba yun?
bale. Mamaya, magsiswimming na tayo. Para hindi
O, sige,
halatang
magbibihis
umiyak ka.
na ako.
Para hindi
Tapos,
halatang umiyak ka. Kasi
Magsiswimming na ako para mainit eh.
Yes.
Para lumamig. Magbibihis lang ako.
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
Enjoy Sky Villa. Uy, baka may gusto kang i-thank you sa akin. Napakagandang staycation.
Miss Nay, thank you very much. Wait,
Pa?
dito. Guys, this is Kaizai Villa. Actually, ang Kaizai is the name of the son, the only child of Nay. The 6 years nilang inintay.
For having us,
And
Kaizai.
thank you very much!